Hi, my name is Alexandra NEYTS. I'm the General Secretary of EATIP, which is the European Aquaculture Technology and Innovation Platform. We're a multi-stakeholder European technology platform located in Belgium. And we work for aquaculture, which is part of the food resources market area of Copernicus. As member of the Champion User Group, we and EATIP would like to see aquaculture more involved in what Copernicus is offering today. I think what is missing here is more the intermediate services, so really providing systems and services that are ready to use for aquaculture businesses and also public organizations to have better governance models, but also better monitoring so that they can take care of both fish welfare and environmental monitoring, and combining the Copernicus data with other open data sources that are available on a national level, for example, but looking upon that on a European level. So transfer of knowledge and really pushing forward the use of data in evidence-based models. As head of a technology platform, we really want to see the implementation of a one-stop shop of a service that is fit for purpose for the aquaculture sector.